subscribe to my channel.
Introduction and appearance. Megumi Fushiguro is a first-year student at Tokyo Jujutsu High and a Grade 2 Jujutsu Sorcerer. Standing at 175 km, 5'9", with a slim build, Megumi has uniquely styled black hair that spikes in all directions, resembling a sea urchin. His dark blue eyes in the anime adaptation, green in the manga, reflect his serious and often cold demeanor. His typical attire includes the standard Jujutsu High uniform, which consists of a dark blue jacket and pants, giving him a sleek and professional look, abilities, and skills. Megumi is renowned for his mastery of the 10 Shadows technique, a powerful and versatile jujutsu that allows him to summon and control shikigami, which are spirit creatures. These shikigami include the Divine Dogs, Nu, and the Great Serpent, each with unique abilities that Megumi can strategically deploy in battle. His ability to adapt and think on his feet makes him a formidable opponent. Additionally, Megumi has shown potential to summon Maharaga, one of the most powerful shikigami, though it comes with great risk, personality, and values. Despite his reserved and sometimes aloof nature, Megumi is deeply committed to protecting others. He often puts himself in harm's way to save his friends and innocent people, driven by a strong sense of justice and duty. His complex personality is marked by a blend of stoicism and compassion. He believes in the value of life and strives to ensure that his actions reflect his moral compass, even if it means going against orders or facing overwhelming odds. Background and motivations. Megumi's background is filled with challenges that have shaped his character. He was raised by his stepsister, Tatsumiki, after being abandoned by his father. This experience instilled in him a sense of responsibility and a desire to protect those he cares about. His motivations are deeply personal, as he seeks to create a world where people like Sumiki can live safely and happily. This drive often puts him at odds with his own safety, but it also fuels his determination to grow stronger. Relationships and interactions. Megumi's interactions with other characters in Jujutsu Kaisen reveal different facets of his personality. With Yuji Itadori, he shares a bond of mutual respect and camaraderie, often acting as the voice of reason. His relationship with Nobara Kudasaki is marked by a sibling-like dynamic, with both supporting and challenging each other. Megumi's mentor, Satoru Gojo, sees great potential in him and pushes him to surpass his limits, though their relationship is also filled with moments of humor and mentorship.